Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Discovery HSE finished in silver. This 2025 model comes with a 3-litre D350 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large front matrix LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night. And this car stands on 22-inch diamond turned with gloss dark grey contrasting 5-spoke alloy wheels. Taking a look at the rear of this car, there is ample room in the boot for large luggage items, golf clubs, pushchairs, or even all at the same time. There is an adjustable parcel shelf which can also be removed for when these third row seats are unfolded, as well as an automatic boot close button located at the top. Stepping into the back of the car, we can find the Ebony Windsor leather seats with the contrasting grey stitching. There are isofix points as well as a fold-down armrest with 2 exposed cup holders, and the backseat passengers can utilise their own rear climate control vent, which does feature 3-way heated seats. Making our way into the front of the car, we can see the continuation of the ebony interior with some highlighting accents on the steering wheel and door sills. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are electronically operated, including lumbar support. Here's a closer look at the multifunctional 4-spoke 2-tone leather-wrapped steering wheel with controls on the left for the virtual cockpit, hands-free telephone and voice control, and on the right for the cruise control system. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit driver preference, including 1 and 2 dial, as well as map, media and driving assistance. The main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can access Bluetooth as well as radio and connect wirelessly to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, including ventilation. By clicking the camera icon in the bottom left, we can bring up the 3D and satellite imagery to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below that, there is a physical set of dials for the climate control system for ease of use while on the road, and it does double as a secret storage pocket. Another storage pocket is above the glove box located on the dash here, and again it is a perfect size for those smaller items. Located below that is a wireless charging bank, as well as another slot with a USB-C port, and on the centre console there are 2 cup holders hidden by this sleeve. The drive mode select button is found here as well and will display different mode settings depending on the current condition of the road. Finally, the armrest can be lifted up to reveal deeper storage inside, as well as another USB-C port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Discovery HSE. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.